Yo, what's good? It's your boy Hayes. It's Tuesday morning. Got an hour and a half left on my reset. Let's get to it. So what we fixing today is the clutch switch. Mine went out like last week, and yeah, I've been living a little bit ghetto. So yeah, this the housing right here for the clutch switch. This for the hydraulic fluid and everything for your clutch go. Those little bolts up there. Star bolts is T40. Next, after you get that off, you gotta, this is a switch right here, this little black line. You got like a bolt right behind it. It's a number 4 Allen tool. I got my little boy for that. It's my favorite wrench right here, or favorite ratchet, honestly. So yeah, you just pull this part out, do everything backwards the other way, and you should be good. They said it's a light unlock, so you don't want to over tighten it too much. And don't lose the bolt, or your ass gonna be tight. Like this a little janky position on this, but it's all good as long as we can get the job done. So I'm gonna go in this TA real quick and take a shower before I leave. Come on, baby. This the kind of bolt that make you want to drop it though. Oh, it's kind of long too. It's the bolt right here, just in case you lose it. You know what I mean? Allen, got to go to Home Depot, go get you another one. Yo, that's that raggedy ass switch right there on the ground with it. And this is the replacement I got. This the part number and everything. I got this from Amazon for like $40. I want to say Freightliner was trying to charge me like $90. So yeah. That's why I was being, that's why I had to rig it the way I had to. But you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, yeah, we got it back in place now. Go ahead and tight the bolt behind it back down as much as I can get it. Yeah. Put that little boy back out. I'm gonna tighten that. Yeah, after you get this part tight, I would just get it to where it's snug, right? And then turn it like a little half a turn extra. Don't over tight it, because you don't want to strip this. This part right here, it just scream $1,000 replacement, man. Alright, so boom, that's that. I'm gonna take this cable, I'm gonna push that back inside, I'm gonna put this housing back up here. And I'm gonna start putting these bolts back in here too. Just to hold Somebody came up with to be annoying as hell. You dig? And then this one. My damn fingers a little too fat, but we got it. That's it. Pull out that blick, get to it. Ooh, yeah. Hitting it sideways, man, like I'm O-Dog. That one right there being a little hard, so let me turn this off. I don't like how the last two bolts was sounding, so I had to go grab the greatest tool known to mankind. And we're gonna just hit them two holes with it. So them screws, when they go back in there, they're gonna be like, oh yeah. Oh, it's so smooth. You get them screws that act right, they be like, I do not want to go in. What in the hell? Yeah, get up in there. Of course, my dumb ass had the gun in reverse. So yeah. Get them screws to act right. Be like, come on, bitch. Why would they put? There we go. The screws is like, I'm sorry, daddy. All right, so yeah, the final job is to remove this paper clip. Find the new switch counterpart that you installed and lock them joints together. All right, there you go. We got everything back together and everything. So let's try this out. Get it started. Yes, sir. That, man, I did that I don't know how long, but we out of here. We out of here, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, boy, we did that. So now I'm about to head into this TA, take me a quick shower before my reset over. Right now it's hot as hell. It's hotter than the African grass on the ass of a baboon right now. Got me out here sweating like a silverback gorilla or something. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna check back in with y'all, man. Hey, like and subscribe, man. Share the video. Show me some love in the comments. Follow me. I'm gonna follow y'all back. Dig.